It's a showroom, service center, training center, and warehouse all in one. The LG Smart Laundry Lounges are scattered all over the Philippines to bring our LG commercial washing machines near to aspiring entrepreneurs and laundromat business owners. Come and visit your nearest LG Smart Laundry Lounge today.
Hi, I'm Arles, CEO of Express Clean under AAU Corporation. We are happy to introduce our one-stop shop, showroom, service center, and training center here in Davao City, the LG Laundry Lounge. It was 2017 when I planned to diversify my business and saw a great opportunity in investing on laundromat services. It's new then, but a very promising business. So the first thing I did is to find the best brand of machines. From all of the options that I've checked, LG stood out for me because of its technology. After 7 years, the business grew and expanded with more than 40 branches in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I am very grateful that I choose LG as my business partner. The efficiency of its product, reliable support of the brand is sustained up to this very day. LG changed my life.
Hi, I'm Jay Loayon, VP Operation Mindanao. For all aspiring business owners who want to put up a laundromat business, it is important to choose the right brand as your business partner. You may visit us any day. We are located here at Miko Suites Building, Bonifacio Street, Davao City.